Hey folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas, and I'm here inside the Plaza Hotel. The Plaza is located in downtown Las Vegas on one end of the Fremont Street experience, not directly on it, but right across the street where you can see all the lights and all the action. If you listen to the Dine Drink Vegas podcast, you've heard my buddy John make fun of me for being the leader in the luxury lounge, and he's got a point. Usually, what I do is book a nice room in one of the big nice hotels somewhere in the middle of the strip. But this time it was my buddy John's trip, and he wanted to bring me to the Plaza, which is a place where he and his wife have been several times. So what I'm going to do in this video is take you on a tour of a luxe room. It's actually my friend John's room. Before I do that, though, I'd like to ask for your help. Here at Dine Drink Vegas, we try really hard to bring you short and focused videos which give you the information you need to plan your next trip. Please support the channel by clicking like and subscribe, and we'll be right back to show you the room.
So I'm here outside John's room. It's 1716 here in the North Tower. And again, this is a luxe room. Now, that's different from the deluxe room because they've been renovated. And let's go inside. The first thing that you notice is that there's no carpet on most of the floor. Right? It's a nice tile feel. And that's a lot easier to keep clean. I like that. There isn't a couch, which means there's no place for buddies to sleep. But it is a great place to just sit and put your drink or your cup of coffee or whatever you have. I'm over here to one side of the bed, and there are a couple of places, USB plugs that you can put in, but the regular plugs for your devices, those are already occupied. But conveniently, the clock is set on the right time. Now, coming here into the main part of the room, got a nice TV that you can see from pretty much anywhere in the room, and you don't have a closet, but you have a small closet area. It's not big, but it's certainly going to do what you need it to do. Coming here in to the office area, they've actually got a really nice work desk. And the work desk has places to plug in your devices. Also, while this isn't my favorite coffee setup in the entire world, sometimes when you're in Vegas, you just need some free coffee. You need something to get your morning started, and that's really great. I'm going to come back over here to the bed. And it's the same power plug situation here that it was on the other side, except here there is actually one free. Now the phone brings me to one of the things that I've discovered that I don't like about the Plaza, because I've been here one more night. When I tried to call housekeeping earlier because I had a question about something, I got an AI chatbot. The AI chatbot rerouted me and left me to the voicemail for accounting. So trying to get hold of help from the room phones isn't quite as simple and efficient as I would like it to be. So, if you're here in the North Tower, you've got to make a judgment about view versus quiet. John elected for view, and here is him looking right down the Fremont Street experience. The view is gorgeous. You can see the Circa pool, so this view is as good as it gets on Fremont Street. The problem is, it's only 4-something in the afternoon, and we can already hear the noise coming from down there. That means you've got to be comfortable with the fact that it's going to be a late night with a lot of noise happening. Let's take a look at what the bathroom looks like, and it's been updated nicely. I'm in an unrenovated room, and I really like this renovated look a lot more. For one thing, the power's easier to get to. For another, they have more cabinet space, and for the last, they actually have amenities which aren't coming out of those horrible dispensers in the tub. Now, the thing that I think is weird about this room, for a reason which escapes me, the safe is here in the bathroom, and I just don't know why you would make that choice. But whatever. Same towels in the rest of the hotel, and those are great and comfortable. One of the things you got to be aware of is that there's no separation or privacy, so only one person can use the bathroom at any time. There is no tub here, but frankly that's better because these showers are renovated so much more nicely and so much better than the unrenovated rooms over in the South Tower. And again, you actually have proper bathroom amenities, which is a much better system. Let's do a water pressure check. Yeah, water pressure is easy, although it does look like, looking up there, like they probably need to renovate the shower head. So again, folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. I'm here inside a luxe room in the North Tower in the Plaza Hotel. I hope this video has been helpful to you, because what we try really hard to do here at Dine Drink Vegas is bring you short and focused videos which give you the information that you need to plan your next trip. If we've done that, I would really appreciate your support for the channel by having you click like and subscribe. Also, every comment that you leave helps YouTube show our videos to more people. So leave a comment there. Tell us where you like to stay. Tell us what you think about the plaza and ask us any questions because we would love to get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks so much and happy travels.